Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled MLOps, Deploying and Managing AI Models in Production. Imagine you've just baked a magnificent cake. That's your trained AI model. MLOps, Machine Learning Operations, is everything that happens after the cake is baked to get it to customers reliably, ensure it's fresh, and even improve the recipe over time. It's the bridge that takes your AI from an exciting experiment on your computer to a robust, real-world solution that millions can use. When you build a regular app, you deploy it so users can interact with it 24/7. An AI model needs the same. It's not enough to have a Python script that can predict on your laptop. We need it to predict for everyone. All the time, reliably, and efficiently. This transition from works on my machine to works for millions is the production challenge MLOps helps you conquer. Deployment is about taking your trained AI model, your baked cake, and putting it somewhere users or other apps can use it. Think of it like a restaurant's grand opening. You've perfected your dishes. Now you need a physical kitchen, waitstaff, and a clear menu, often an API endpoint, so customers can order and enjoy what you've created. Your AI is now open for business. After opening your restaurant, you don't just walk away. You need to know if customers are happy, if the food is still good, and if anything's broken. For AI, monitoring means constantly watching its predictions. Is it still accurate? Is the data it's seeing now different from what it learned from? A concept called data drift. This helps catch issues before they impact users, ensuring your AI stays helpful. Even the best restaurants update their menu or train new chefs. Similarly, if your AI's performance drops, or new, more relevant data becomes available, you might need to retrain it with the fresh data. Versioning is like keeping a detailed record of your old menus and recipes, so you always know exactly which AI recipe is being served at any given time and can easily roll back if a new one has issues. As developers, we love automation. CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous delivery, is a set of practices to automate the testing and deployment of code. For AI, this means automating the process of validating new models, packaging them, and deploying them to production. It's like a finely tuned assembly line that ensures new AI improvements are rolled out smoothly, quickly, and safely, minimizing manual errors and speeding up innovation. MLOps isn't just one tool or one person. It's a collaborative philosophy and ecosystem. It often involves a team of specialists, data scientists for models, ML engineers for deployment, DevOps engineers for infrastructure, and a suite of specialized tools for managing data, orchestrating model training, deploying to cloud platforms, and visualizing monitoring dashboards. Everyone plays a role in keeping the AI restaurant running smoothly. Without MLOps, AI models might become outdated, fail silently, or be impossible to update efficiently. It bridges the critical gap between AI research, development, and practical, reliable applications. By ensuring your AI systems are stable, performant, continuously improving, and maintainable, MLOps allows your AI initiatives to deliver real, consistent value to users over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.